This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Lórí awuyewuye tó ń lọ lórí ayélujára lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Sunday Igboho àti Gani Adams. Tí àwọn ọmọlẹ́yìn Gani Adams wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń tàwọn sí Sunday Igboho àti Sunday Igboho tí àwọn ọmọlẹ́yìn náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń ṣe orunmọ̀orunmọ̀ mọ́ àwọn ọmọ Gani Adams. Bàbá Maharaj ti jáde, wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ nínú interview yìí o. Wọ́n ṣe àlàyé gidi gan ni pé Sunday Igboho has proven himself beyond reasonable doubt. Pé gbogbo ká máa fara wa lọ́tún ká máa fara wa lọ́sì, wọ́n ní eléyìí ò tọ́. Wọ́n ní nǹkan tí Sunday Igboho nídìí ní encouragement àti kan fún ní full authority láti take over gbogbo security. Pé eléyìí ò kì í ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu, ó ti prove rẹ̀ beyond reasonable doubt. Kò ń ṣe tó ń fà sẹ́yìn láti kọjú sí àwọn tó ní Yorùbá lára. Ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé nǹkan. Ẹ jájọ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ bàbá Maharaj pẹ̀lú interview àyè bí wọ́n ṣe fèsì padà sí àwọn question tí wọ́n béèrè lọ́wọ́ and bí wọ́n ṣe tú pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ lórí gbogbo ipa tí Sunday Igboho kó ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ẹ wo ẹja àjọgbọ́ kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ máa fi opinion sínú comment bó bá ṣe rí lọ́kàn yín, ẹja àjọgbọ́.
Another question I want to ask this evening, there's one news that surfaced on social media, and let me say this since yesterday evening, where one of the OPC that belongs to Gani Adams accusing Sunday Igboho, even causing him Sunday Igboho, based on the security issue that Sunday Igboho is a betrayer. How can Sunday Igboho said he can face the whole band? This issue of terrorists in Nigeria, all sorts of things. When some Nigerians started attacking Gani Adams and his guys, that Gani Adams is not a trust Nigerian. He's not supposed to be in that position. That Sunday Igboho should be there. How can a OPC member, ordinary OPC member, come out and start causing Sunday Igboho, where someone render his own service, render his own life, ready to sacrifice his own life to secure the whole country? I want to ask our fathers at Maharaj, in this situation, if you happen to be the judge, already you are a judge, you are the father of creation, what do you have to say about this issue of Sunday Igboho and Gani Adams?
Nothing to say much other than to remind everybody what has happened in the past. You say a snake is a snake, doesn't matter. I was part of the Nadeko group, even though I didn't call myself Nadeko, but I'm a freedom fighter, the leading freedom fighter in the universe, to make sure that everybody gets his own rights respected and given. So it's not easy to get to the point that Sunday Igboho is. Yes, because there's a vacuum there and he has filled it. Anybody cursing him and saying all sorts of things, he has forgotten that there is what we call Mandarika, return to sender. So anybody blessed to take such steps definitely has the blessings of the Creator to defend him at all times. Whatever these people are saying, they have turned the whole thing into physical. Chop chop. If you can be giving 100 million, in fact, when I first came, they said, hey, this man, he used to want to make money. He went to Europe, he came back, he didn't go and work. He said he's forming what? One love family. That is what they were saying. So today, just even go back to 2023, when the president of Nigeria was elected, hey, they were busy up to today. But because he has been blessed to be there, to be doing the job, and everybody see him going through it painstakingly, calmly. I read something by one mama on the Punch, whether in the Punch newspaper, on Thursdays. In fact, what he wrote there is rubbish. Saying, for you to have a good woman, a woman must be a Bachelor of Science, PhD, MA. A woman is a woman. Sunday Igboho has shown beyond reasonable that he is capable.
Yes.
He can do it. And so anybody who is swearing at him is Nigerian, he's swearing at. And those who have lost their mothers, their fathers in the past, those whose children are in captivity, those are the ones that will reply such person. You watch and see. Whoever did the cursing, see what will happen to him in the next few months. It has been happening before. Only that, like you said earlier, religion has failed. And religion cannot be part of us. Yes, we are Omalajobi. Whether Europeans, they came from Africa, or the Chinese, all of them, they came from Africa. They are our brothers and sisters. And so we are trying to find the ideal religious structure. And what that is, one love, be in love, love each other. Not in the name of politics, not in the name of religion, not in the name of tribe, not in the name of ethnic or whatever. That is what we are after, because that is what is actually coming up. Yes, if you look at the way the world is now, the world is so dirty, where a child can kill his father, a father can kill the wife, a wife can kill the husband, you know? And so, whatever is going on is still the argument that goes on inside the pot. Pepper, tomato, onion, they'll be fighting each other. At the end of the day, when the soup is ready, the owner of the soup will feel happy. That is the time all the warring factions will know that, so we have been elevated to become soup for somebody to eat. The same way with what is going on. The president should be thankful that we have somebody Igboho to come out like himself. Oh yes, where is Gani Adam? Gani Adam is OPC, but look at it. OPC, they sent some of them to come and do what? Take my land here. Of course, if they did not, but why are they doing vigilante for them? OPC Odudua is a loving father, a caring father. He will never allow anybody to take a wrong step on this earth. He will have said, no. It doesn't matter whether it's an Igbo man or Yoruba man's property or Chekiri. OPC, that is what we expect. No, you can't do that here. Yes, but it's not happening. Yeah, if you check up the time, Papa, Fashion was there, the death of Bola, the death of Bola Ige and all that went on. You find that, hey, today we are blessed to find out that everybody, every hand should support Sunday Igboho. Yes, so that he can do justice. What is wrong there? There's nothing bad there. He says he can do it. Brother, oh yeah, everybody will join up. Oh yeah, hey, we move. But for you to sit behind the house and know what is being cooked in the kitchen, because you are smelling a good odor, a nice smell of onions and pepper being fried, does not mean that you have eaten the food. And when you demand like what we are searching for, somebody who will stand, somebody who will be able to say, good, me, I'm here, I've given my service, I want to do justice to it. It's not something of mouth watching. It's not something of writing in the newspapers or magazines and saying Sunday Igboho is this and that. He did not go to training. He did not read criminology. He doesn't know how criminals operate. Hey, he doesn't need to teach the bee how to make honey. Yes, the time has come for Nigerians to what? Wake up and brace up. How can we sit down here and El-Rufai is organizing banditry in our midst? See what happened in Kaduna when he was there. It's not a joke. What about Gumi going to meet the bandits and then he's sitting there for us to talk with him. If he's a true Nigerian, we say, I know where they are. Hey, boys, let's go. And he has used that process to amass wealth. Millions and billions are pouring in from Saudi, from Europe, World Council of Churches, to make sure that the ordinary Nigerian will carry a turban on his head and say, yes, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah. But àbúrò ẹ ló fẹ́ pa yìí. Ìyá rẹ̀ ló ń bú yìí. So we have got to a situation where we should ignore all those noises. What we need is somebody like Sunday Igboho who can go there. He went there. Where were they? Where were they when he went to Ibarapa? Where were they when he went to Igboho? Where were they when he went, joined the police to do the service to release Adelabu's yes, family. So for me, people can talk, let them say it, but you cannot cause Sunday Igboho or Gani Adams or Mr. President or any other person as a Yoruba man. One should realize that you can't get free. You can't go free. Kusini, it is there. Don't judge so that you cannot be judged. Let's leave everybody to account for himself. Today, we have seen a new light in person of Sunday Igboho. And so I'm asking all Nigerians, I am the living perfect master of the time. I know so many things more than any other person. As the custodian of all the gods and goddesses in creation, protector of the weary, weak, and strong, the president, please, should support Sunday Igboho, mobilize him, give him voice, give him every assistance so that he can go from place to place. I know that everybody knows that Satan has fallen now with Sunday Igboho coming out. Look at those in the north. Meitiana, El-Rufai, go to what he did in Kaduna. Destruction, destruction, destruction. Go to Sokoto, what Tambulba did. Even when he was living as governor, he couldn't account for all the cars. Look at what happened to the Kogi young man who called himself Golden Lion or what? Yeah. Where is he? He was hiding. When they were looking for me, he hid, and that is it. But the law itself is not actually giving room. I believe that with the coming of state police, very soon they should remove immunity from the governor and deputy governor. They should give immunity to only the president and the vice president. If they are going to stay, there should be a clause to say that you can be liable to prosecution after your tenure if in case it is found that you, Mr. Brother, Sister, so and so, actually misdirected the funds for development projects. Yes, to be tried. But as it is now, hey, Sunday Igboho has made it too. He has made it. He has proved to the world that, yes, we are not beggars. Which is genuine.